Hi and welcome to another quick tip tutorial with Next Paradigm. Today I'm going to talk about the fade with glow transition effect which everyone can create in Adobe After Effects. So let's get towards the After Effects. As usual, I will make a new composition of a standard size of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select 25 frames per second. Also, adjust the time and color and hit OK. After that, I'm importing two videos into the composition. Drop them onto the newly created composition. Offset the video like this. Also, make sure to change the positions of video layers like that. First, toggle the properties of the second video down and create a keyframe on opacity at the point where the first video ends. Go back to the start of the second video and change the opacity to 0. Go to the tool panel and create a new adjustment layer. Then go into the Effects and Presets panel and search for the glow. Apply this effect to the adjustment layer. Now at the end of the second video set the glow intensity to 0 and create a keyframe. Then go 1 second back and change the intensity to 2. Again go back 1 second and change the glow intensity to 0. Also, set the glow radius to 25. Preview this. Our great effect is created now. Depending on the base video the result could look quite pleasant or grim. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and also watch other lessons related to After Effects.